Kikubor kibabnya. Menteri Ketenat Boarding UET Mondal hinin kesni ula pentip ba on Pynkylla biang ya kepor penliblat naduk ke shitarik ubenai nailur. Ula pentip ba naka benta ke shalong batura ke loadshedding kan long naduk kepor shibeje haduk lai beje minstep. Kat ba hakiwei pat ke benta jong ke jela ke loadshedding kan long na ke benta lai kenta. Ka jela Meghalaya menta ka don hapedeng ke jingduna boarding pat ka loadshedding ka la pen peteng na ka daw ka jingbam la pen penbiang boarding.
Actually, we have some problem due to that this rescheduling has been done. That is for temporarily, because one of the transformer is out of service in Ganesh Das Hospital area. So daytime, because of this, the current sometimes fluctuates. But we have decided that the hours of load shedding in Shillong Tura will remain 2 hours. But from past September, we will be rescheduling it from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. and rest of the state it will be brought down to 3 hours now. So this problem which is happening daytime, this is because of this maintenance work and all these things.